Hello guys, and welcome back. Yes, we are back with another video. For my regular viewers, as I always say, really appreciate that you keep watching the content. If you're new, I hope you enjoy the video. I hope you like the content, and I hope that you also subscribe to the channel. Today's video, I'm going to be making chicken wings. The most easiest recipe, the most delicious chicken wings you will ever make at home will be on today's video. So you don't want to miss it. You need to watch it all the way to the end, and let's get into it. So to start off, we are first going to prepare the chicken wings. We are going to put the chicken wings in a bowl and season it with salt and pepper. And then we'll bake it for about 30 minutes to cook. So once you put your chicken wings in a bowl, you season it with a little bit of salt, and some black pepper, some crushed garlic, and then you just mix it. We are now going to put this in the oven to bake for about 30 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes, or until cooked through to your liking. The wings are in the oven. They'll be done in a few minutes. So while we're waiting for that, we can start making the sauce for the wings. So the ingredients for the sauce that you will need soy sauce, you will need honey, a little bit of vinegar. You will also need cornstarch to thicken the sauce. You'll need garlic. You will also need either chili powder or chili flakes. You can put as much as you want depending on how hot you want the wings. And then you'll also need ginger, like grated ginger. I haven't really used powdered ginger. I always use the fresh one, and then I just cut it into small pieces. And then what I also like to do is add sesame seeds. This is optional, you don't need to add it, but I think for me it just makes it look more aesthetic and also very nice for the taste as well. And you will also need butter, like a teaspoon. So to make the sauce, I'm going to be using this cup. So what I'm going to do now is take half a cup of soy sauce, pour it in here, and then I'm going to add a little bit of vinegar to the soy sauce, and then you can add, depending on how hot you want them, as I said, you can add the chili powder or chili flakes. Just not going to add too much. Then I will add the garlic. Then I'll also add the chopped ginger to the mix, and then I will add about half a cup of honey to the mix. So the soy sauce and honey will give it that bit of a sweet sour taste, and the honey will also make them a bit sticky. It's more like sticky wings, right? Yeah, we'll give it a bit of a stir, And then we'll put this in a pan and then add the wings. So now we're going to put on our stove and let's get cooking. Okay, so our butter has melted. Let's reduce the heat. So we're going to add the sauce now to the pan. Let it simmer. It should be on very low heat. And it's going to, as you cook it, it's also going to reduce a bit, right? And then we can add our wings. It smells divine, guys. So while the sauce is simmering, we are going to make our cornstarch that we will add to the sauce. So there you will just need 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and a little bit of water, maybe 2 teaspoons of water. That's all you'll need. So this is the sauce as it looks now. It has reduced a bit. Yeah. So now we'll add the cornstarch to the mix. There we go. And then just stir it. And then from here it's going to thicken a bit, and then we'll just add the, see, it's starting to thicken, you see. So now I'm going to add the wings. You just add them bit by bit and make sure that they are covered with the sauce. Just make sure that they are completely covered, and then you can add the next batch. I think here you can also taste and see how it tastes. If you want to add more chili, you can do it at this point. But yes, they look divine. They look guys, this is, even if I have to say so myself, this looks restaurant quality, don't you think? So far your wings, guys, they're done. At this point they are done. So you can add maybe green onions for garnishing or so, but this is done, and you can serve and enjoy. So here we are, guys. I've added the sesame seeds. So this is how it looks like. And from here on, you can serve and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the video. Reminder, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.